chinsa chikoro nga chinsa inye chabona ikamara kwa bairu bia naenda andosia se o tegerete na boigo andosia so Getembe Television ya oya Getembe Television ase o tegerete Getembe FM Radio 102.7 karibu sana ase Engambo ya Getembe FM ime yeke unga kia amua amogusi igali tukerika lia romna kama botambeli tukoli ala misi ko selu tukoli ya Friday ngo tu aratora magania kire niko toko karansa ase keroko tu karanse birogo tuagamba muna abanta banen nabigo tuama ya kurigereria nyana magana siasa gusande mono tukurigeria magana siasa ayagusi kurwa soyo omugambi to bwateri tukerio akoba akorwa nabigo tuakwanira Kenya engima ngo kwarigani ase studio chikakimene chikachabone gayo rigereti Getembe FM radio bakonoka the top rankings MC Fastborn mutangio Florence munarali emonyo namba 10 kianda of course seitonya ko bari sobo mugako mutanya na nyangalesio mwabo botambe nanya ko banje buyeka
na nchani gonkoro kwa Ruth Kemunto karibu sana mwanchu murigereria olisiko galia ekero togo chake Engambo ya Getembe kolinda senchira ya bene togo sabo kwa bira asenge nchyo kunyoru kolete Engambo ase bitango bitalenge gutangika kolende karibu ekero bono togo chake Engambo eyemo ase yemo no mwishimiwa Omasimba Ward omoske boss wase Baus Bairura ase bali banalete gukwana bunango kwana karibu sana ekero togo sange yemo ase yemo turigereria ya gendrete kweneki wa kurugalia sensemo ya siasa kuri county ya Kisii waike ward ya Simba na boigo na haina bogo sanga na intwe helio totebinga inde no isanegete nemeremo egendete gokolekana imenye county ya Kisii gosto no isanegete no bora ibogendete gokolekana imenye county ya Kisii aye umwana inchi okorugalie use wadi ya Masimba no isanegete nga omuzike boss Bairura ogokolira magendero alikuwa bete gokomokorera sanga na intwe wetera se namba ito yesimi na boigo wetera ase chinsemo chitu cha Facebook na boigo YouTube helio koene kinga omwishimi wolegaiga na iranelie amaboli yago eyemo ase yemo kolende without wasting much time. Mheshimiwa karibu sana ime ya Getembe TV.
Thank you.
Yes,
thank you,
karibu
Ruth.
sana.
Asante.
Karibu. Nabuko kwani mwanchu murigereria as interest yaye omotebi na kyokorokwa ekero toguchaka.
Thank you, Ruth.
Yes.
Just sama jitanguru kwa boss Mairo. So next time thought they were bows. Ora ngure chikura chia ne ibere isato. Monda ndete bali bows
Limobole.
So my name is boss Mairo. Na bombo atamalita bere kibande.
Yes.
Ana bacha agete ona boss Mairo.
All right.
Chendo mu MCA Masimba Ward ku 2022 na ande yonkuri ya na gujikoire keroke uchume wanyali bali masawa.
Right.
2027.
The confidence in you uncle Irori.
No, I will win.
Okay.
That one I can tell you for free.
Right.
Ne chama ya Jubilee. Yes.
All right. Asante sana mwishi. Ekero toguchaka limolioka. Maybe as interest yo mwanchu murigereria. What is your relationship with the county government?
The county government is broad.
The governor, precisely.
A very poor relationship. A very bad one.
But when ekera mangano sia chagete tu aroche nyangi inombia yale inyoma inombia yale nga yembro ya chagete ko batuira mugacho twara poor relationship.
Okonye rigereria na ndoga ne irigo tumia the constitution.
Okay.
I should be the best friend of the governor because I do my work.
Okay.
Ilina yetu ni katiba. Number 2, what nyangi mbia yangete, I think from day one, nje na kuagiri na rati. I have never.
Okay.
So I have not changed. I have maintained my position. I tried dekero around 2024. Abagaka gite bagante ina kwa muminyo kirimono. Kura murigiri torore ninki agokora. They realized the guy doesn't change.
Okay.
Position ya ite go change rise. So bagante focus on your mandate. Igasi anemanyekanete oversight, representation and legislation.
Right.
Yes.
All right. Asante.
Mheshimiwa nkiama kigia ko irete
I won chikura chana na UDA.
UDA.
Yes.
Okay.
Do you still support the government, the national government?
No. We are with Matiangi.
Okay.
Politics is dynamic. You know, if you look at President William Ruto, in 1997,
yes,
he was with a different party. In 2002, he came with a different party.
Yes.
In 2007, he came with a different party. In 2013, he was in a different party.
Yes.
Politics is dynamic. Yes.
All right. Mheshimiwa, from where you're seated, are you satisfied? Because not having a county government ya Kisii yakolera mwananchi amagendo.
No, this is the worst county government in the world. If we have others in other continents.
Why do you say so?
Yes, let me tell you. The essence here devolution, Ruth and
Yes.
EMONYO19.
Erabo.
Essence here devolution here Jete to bring down even the two are equally from national government. National government in Nairobi. That is where even they are centralized. So this devolution here Jete to centralize amagendero to the smallest cell of devolution ikuruku a ward. To centralize employment so that yabantu bari from the ward level feel that this is the meaning of devolution. Kisii County as we talk today, it has not done that.
Okay.
And I can substantiate, I can show you that our youths, they are unemployed. Not that we don't have the capacity. We have not been able, Konyorumu governor, to understand it, how to capitalize on matters to do with value addition so that you create jobs for the youths. A very simple one. We have one manganeji avocado usiga. Chi avocado bawo tukia geterete na mafuta ya avocado. Why can't we have a simple factory? Ekoligarona abantu 1,000 from the across the county. Nerusi abana no 300 from every sub county. For example, out of the 9, ejintu abana abantu 2,700 you might. We have one matok. Ayaba ikoi bago chabai bapiki ga baira at a very lower cost. So we have a serious maladministration. Yinjengo nyora ngusinyukopisa kwa tena ibintu mbibira. Ani inchoti oke mirongo atinguti okore miro. Naona atonge tu na nyasai.
Omoishimiwa boss.
Yes.
Na gotegerera ake korwa gwatenga koru from the word go usikoru day one as you put it.
From day one, and I will tell you why if you ask me.
Mo divete no governor Simbarati.
Yes.
Now ayegwa choto na bantu ba Masimba. Ekera mo diva no governor. Inkibona ega bantu ba Masimba ward bare yakireke kuba batebana ki mungwano ne ba kanete ne no governor ntuga igambo yadoraka.
Thank you. My brother, even the separation of powers, there is no way arati aranyare ko migiving to yabantu bamazimba. You know, a narrative ya Jete is kali.
Yes.
What he has been doing ago delay ko bikora. I count you to what they call word based budgeting. Like a budget 2022 on Tuesday, every ward you could receive automatic 20 million. Oko propose ya une MCA ngi utegeke ko. Do you want besides now jibale jitu arende biragita. Ebibi ndegende kere kando. Ebintu biribyane byonzi pie binge byabo apart from ibindi biri mwaro jengo complain ali gete yesisi ebinge byabo byakorekanire some to not to the standard that I want but I am happy as an MCA that all my ward based budgeting programs now rekobeka almost 75% we are very good and I can count them. We have done in Nyagitari ya Getembe the community and nursing ngboire ekachaka kwa Nyagitari liyachaka nganyebekera chibesa tukole maternity wing isibagaji administration block ngabeka chibesa that administration block is complete. Nyagitari bo nigele level 3 kanyete equipment. We have gone to Gekonge through ward based budgeting. We have done renovation in Nyagitari tuwabeke chitari Nyagitari tuwakire rangi ya Nyagitari arenge pathetic tuwabeke estimate arenge ororo hawa ugekonge. We have done a borehole abantu bande bayekonge bakunywa maji. Go to Ramasha, we have done a maternity wing. As much as yetra operationalized yabeire back equipped yetra jakegas because amachata you in that facility. I have done an ECD ekana jeto mno mu MCA nto about ECD centers in the Masimba ward. No one came, my brother, you can be shocked. Since 2013 we didn't even have one. We have done St. Mark ECD complete. As we are talking today, ECD at Ramasha is ongoing. Ya ikira se plastering eganyete yakuchirangi na ndebe kuchitile. ECD at Mosisa it is ongoing. Eganyetebe kuchitile yakole plastering. ECD at Rioira yakoliru eganyetebe kwa mabati a contractor is a bit slow tarabeka mabati. ECD at Riabi kutu yabiku mabati eganyete ebe ku plastering ebe kunerangi ebe kunechitile. Another ECD center that we were supposed to do kwenda mangana uplifting face lifting at Motonyoni. The contractor has been awarded but he has not one side and kwende school ndi kurukuria micho the reason why ataragenda
Yo.
arati ndo divanera akwa contractor ya monyali bali chache na nyali bali masaba kokora facelifting ya ECD centers Joseph. Do you know how many schools do we have in every ward chicken iko facelifted? 2. Those are 22 classes because of what you got 11. Yes. Why do you can't come chibuno mugavana nge Ruth birazi bibere nge Monye birazi bibere nge uri birazi bibere so that is the essence of devolution. Why do you give one man? Do you know why you give one man? Onye orenjiro ko ibachi pesa rais
igona kwa gotebanga korengana na manganao.
Yes sir.
Ayo gotebanga magendero kiutegete akoru masimba akini oyo konyakora oyo gwente konyakora no governor.
But that is the law. The MCA does not have money or development. The CEO of the county is the governor. You know the governor cannot understand the 2,000 schools that we have in Kisii County. That is why the MCA ete yoni bilazi mna wana njembo ati school 20. Governor harati na manji school jani. By the way you ask him over, they can only name about 2 schools for Masimba. Just been maybe he has visited the area of campaign. Etu arendere tu eba mo MCA.
Yes.
A propose ya magende gata getakorwa as a ward level. We don't have money muna wa chumbe bakonyo. The law does not give us any money. Ntutu igito gata igaba na ki enjere kare chigaba na jinde kwende chi county government chinga chiyo kolegazi umugaba na akora buna atagete. But let us into na bosongo weiga kere ward yenye wale allocation yere ngaino umu MCA ate bengintu kyatete yakona chibesa chiriti ko allocate. And that is what we do. Which I've said in Chibunense mayane those are even mtu na mention ibitacho mbiro arati na manye bitacho birenga bita Masimba gake I propose ibitacho 18 16 biyonse bigakoro this budget yete ti I propose ibinde 6 biche bikoro arati na manye umonte na bono ndete ngore getachi kya lya nyaboke na manye agungai so it's for him to implement. So long as the MCA has proposed e governor nerega nili implement tali nera ndachi ko levitacho as a governor na what structures muwaziri na robo amaji for example
now that motivate now that motivate pengine suppose ngo tika kwalenge koborie keroge kyo bujumbe butinda kurusioro nkobori kwalenge kya Masimba muadifire nere amagendera chire slow credits ne asingo gakogenda ne blame ne asingo gakogenda
kera magendera kwenda slow. Is the governor who is the implementer. You know, let me tell you.
Mwananchi kusama itena yoranga na sana.
Let me tell you my brother.
Yes.
Boss my to mora unondo jimiri tishatienda bu. I pass information to people.
Okay.
I talk to people. I think MCA tayo kogenda social gatherings mono bunanja. I think I see Bagaka, Amos Mukaya.
Yes.
And some few other friends of mine.
Yes.
Mimi nakutana na watu. Utanipata niko church.
Yeah.
Ukiwa na mazishi unapata niko naye hapo. Sometimes kwanya nibate meeting buone n'abantu bakakono ko consult. I pass information. I tell them more or less get late mumburi. I have proposed and now I fact na ba oroki. Go ni me dengo chora manage bar. Now the bar na proposed I allocated this money. Une bara ya ajire contractor ya tomiru ne governor. Ya ajire ya bekiro muchanga iturere. How do you put that blame on the MCA? Number 1, MCA tamaitna procurement ya correct. Number 2, I only got information through online. I contracted the as Masimba ward. I didn't influence. I don't know him. Omani wocho called a short job. Koko tema kobori, I know movie. Yes. So mimi na mambo ya kupatiana information kwa watu and I think that's why I went to school. I pass information. I wana kwa ndo Masimba wa ndama. No MCO itotara kwa gas.
Mheshimiwa. Kwa rule wa submit real list yechi para chitakire kora siwase wodi yao because recently ntwarura the deputy governor kagotebanga mwisimi nini boss mairura mwisimi wembande yeah you're supposed to submit a list yechi para chitakire kora in your areas. So does it mean in your budget you don't include that?
I want to teach Obebo and maybe you need to come and know the difference education system ya Kenya ni area Getembe Television. Mimi najua sheria. Obebo does not come across a manage bar. Era to me to as an errand boy akaenda go tenenebira Getembe launched. What literally chief officer kaneri okora no mu waziri w'ejibar. Not the governor, not the deputy governor. Sure. To kuaneke ne sometimes you know na gyomo deputy governor agutumu ne clerk na gendo chiku tenenebira Getembe na china jibara ngo jaga chi amaraba. Tali ran. This is what is there Monyo and Ruth.
Yes.
Obebo tara abantu nabangina bali bakongena nabali tunabale. E budget ya bakora jibara. E budget ya 2024 sorry 2025 2026. A year koera this month
Tarehe 30.
Ekero guchikokore a project, it means a project ino ere budget.
Ore budget.
No ndo okora chibara chitaye budget.
Yeah.
Kakingi turangenera abantu. We passed the budget ya 2025-2026 as one of the first counties across Kenya. Tuanyeteti before May ya 2025. Meaning we had into our MCA.
Yes.
Che imbande na kero mu MCA nde buyenzi.
Yes.
To a proposal again don't get a annual development plan. Every word ngoza bumitiere priorities chiai. Inje muno mu MCA mazimba na abegde chiparante gete ku number 1 mpaka number 30. Na jitoma mo gajiro online.
Yes.
That is the order of priority. Na de chibare jikoro ndeki
Chirosi.
and that is why we have an allocation yichi bara jiko chikokoro masimba chibese chibekine echi masimba chitumeke chinganiga geso chitumeke chinganiga. So nani obebo my brother monene, let him look for another excuse. That one is so lame. You are got the abandona na with the bara, mimi nakaa kwa bunge, mimi nakaa kwa budget committee.
Yes.
Mimi nafuatilia vitu za mazimba because nilikuwa na ndoto ya kukaa mbunge. So lazima ningengangana sana kuonyesha watu kwamba mkinipatia nafasi mimi nitawapigania.
Yes.
Mimi kama BMM lazima nijitume muone nikipigana kabisa. So that is a lie. Obebo was lying and it is very unfortunate na no mulisiwe kanisa. But some of these things we leave them to God. Ikiagara garukungeneri and oro mondo monebunoli nyasangu ikaro wakanan. He knows very well that he is lying. To please some quotas. Nandi na kingo mwaji bara bunango. Chibari jo toko beke budget. So the governor picks the document the kurukwe budget, a public document. Or ranaki Ruth oyo mu MCA o Getauri. Nkiabe getate tega kon. Etimu ya haya ndayachi implement. So tuliweka mabarabara kwa budget. Barabara zangu za mazimba zote. Zile zinahitaji maintenance, zile zinahitaji opening and construction. Mimi kama MCA niliweka kwa kitu inaitwa CIDP. County Integrated Development Plan. Ngacha ngachibeka CDP. Ye kobakiro mwaka tokoro every year. The county integrated plan yarone ya 5 years. Lakini DP is annual. So I think that is clear.
Right. Alafu ntuarora omoseneta bwe county ya Kisii omoske Richard Mamwe Munyonga ase bunge kagotababuna e county ya Kisii, serikali ya county ya Kisii nigo ya chiete kagole biragitabire second hand. Ekaleta bichago kolegas. How true is that?
Let me tell you my sister and EMONYO.
Yes, sir.
Ana bora nyora ene support ya rati gosae goseundi gosaba barima. Let me tell you my brother.
No, we are journalists.
And whatever, but besides journalism, you have your preference. At the end of the day, you will vote. Tena hata yako sengo support your mundo. I want to tell you this. Kibira kitabiri na nataka muandike itare. It's a matter of time. That is a scandal in any which constituency. Let me tell you number one.
Yeah.
Have you ever asked yourself inge bila kitabiri biko korega asipotuko? Kwa vile mugaso biko remebara.
Gose nari yobe bantu batari konya ko bichanda. Ari gasi ko kole kana bi. What do you think?
So are we bringing another method yo kwa jibara? Yeah, no me think there is no another place in the world jibara jiko mubutuko tinarora. I have done a lot of studies in goso man online na research. Tinarora as a country somewhere jibara jikaro ko rubutuko.
Tochanua ngo. Why?
Let me tell you.
Yes.
Number one, and if somebody want to challenge me, let them bring this in public. Number one, a contractor they will supply Viraktabiri. Oyo maga bid 445 million.
Okay.
Oyo ndaga bid 895 million. The law of procurement under the 2015 Public Disposal and Procurement Act. Igego te biaza no mundo ko iwe tender is the lowest bidder. What criteria did the CEO of the county use? Kwa Omondo 895. That is a question for another day. Number two, if you remember registered, kwa wale biwate number, check something ama number account. Have you seen even one? And by there I'm even told chigunie chiko around ikotanga bantu mbaka chibicha udiko exposing ambia kiri mbibete biwate number. NTSA has not registered those tractors. Number 3, tractor jinjibote insurance. Dero igachira the moment to chimu toloko boko. That person be paid was almost to look bagara bali bako birma bako bitu bako bi operate.
Onye tayari kwate bira ngabantu bara bago tanga ngakito ko chikumanyanga nto ake.
So that is information the public does not have. So okwabo ligoro yemo omo senate.
Yes.
Nana kiate tembere secondary. what he was alleging and what I'm alleging and so many unalleged stories can end up being true. But the biggest monster in the house is why did the highest bidder bought the tender? And if somebody is challenging this, let them give us. They put the public, the contract into the public. The entire procurement, the tendering process from stage A to stage Z.
Gobwate ese biragitebye byo mwishimiwa boss.
Yes.
Kiabete because ntu arengo ekarabi kolonjiku. Ne biragite ne bingi byarenge. Kiabete nga kere word konyale biragita byaye.
Very good, thank you. And by that is what we
Masimba
propose.
mbiro.
Biragita mbio. Otu propose tiga monyo. Otu atebete iga biragita biche byande kire sub county. Na ande myemono gwate biru moralina byarenge bingi. I know biroche bire bingi. Have you seen them?
But tinda fuate.
Mbio. Because ibiragi ndo komanya.
No, for real.
Mbio.
To be honest, tinda kora botuki ukweli. Tinda kora botuki manya. Njebete na wabire ze parking.
Let me tell you ibiragi byarenge gocha. Otu abegete chitipa about 15. Kile sub county nyo yaringe chitipa ko seli satu. I will check, I might not be accurate.
Yes.
I'm just giving
an estimate.
An estimate. Arabu chikire de isatu. That one I think they are 100%. Futu abegete isatu.
Kere what?
Kere sub county.
Kere sub county.
Kere sub county chikire de isatu nechi nyingi sana.
Oh yeah, sure.
Nechi nyingi sana.
Yeah.
Arabu excavators.
Ibere.
Tuwa nini?
Kere sub county.
Kere sub county arora. I think yemo.
Yes.
Mimi machine hizi chara gocha about 60 something. Zilikuwa mingi, zilikuwa zinafaa zikuwe mingi. Na matipa zikuwe about 15.
Yes.
Jojo kasomba imechanga. Those machines are not there.
Oh.
We can't see them, we can't trace them.
Okay.
Nobody knows what happens because the people of Kisii okonya babisire.
Yes.
Information here nyingi, if there is something in the current county government, it is best thing.
Yes.
No kubisa information from the public.
Okay.
But you know, kuna usema cha kuvunda la kuvunda alina ubani endo yo tioko na wekune kabo ile wikaiko ndo tioko so there is a serious scandal.
Okay.
Elesi bila gitebi lakini musikone manyekane
chitaika irenge chimwancho matekareri na wigo mwancho muligeri chitaika vile chapo tukirima ga chinsenye chapo na iga mara kwa anda onsia soligeri television yao ya Getembe Television na wigo anda onsia so tekareri Getembe FM Radio 102.7 boss mairuro mweshimiwa o masimba nere tubugate asiri tukerigalia rero tugukwa na abira atatu igoro ya siasa ya Gusii, siasa ya Kisii County na wigo siasa gusema magendero a masimba wada o tabirengana ki kero keria okoranga kolengana na manganaye ne kero keria ngabono na barasa ko ruoro o eteire bona tete koswa bunge osobo jumbe bwa kitutu ya masaba konya ko bwate commentera go siko go bwate riboni ne sp wetera sin namba yeto ye studio etukutumeke namba ya 0702 66 66 69 0702 66 66 69. Nsema ya Facebook niko to live, nsema ya YouTube niko to live Kemunto.
Yes, mheshimiwa.
Yes.
Do we have corruption in Kisii? Obo kurumimbole account ya Kisii.
No,
from where you are seated.
So no buna kubane.
Lakini tuarolire mara mange omugavana kagoteba ngota chire pipe.
Oh God. Stop it.
But truly you've seen or you've heard him say that.
Let me tell you.
Yes.
Umuntu monate tena. Omorogi. Nero go shout manona nyagita no morogi. Omuibi nero go shout manona nyagita no. I have no
Karibia microphone kwa rancho
I have no apologies to say ina county teye corrupt boni gamna Kisii County.
Iko chipipe echichi atachiru.
By the way abarali. Ande moto konya I know I'm sorry I might make statement inde chira rente problem as abarali. But me from where I sit the freedom of the press in Kisii County is compromised and threatened. I have called people to press. Wagon then agitindorokana nini otogotia neru. I have heard I don't know whether that is true asimorenu but let me tell you if the freedom of the press is compromised and threatened so many rotten things happen behind the scenes. That is the truth. I did literature and I know the role press in Mokora, Korenta, Obumaene no Burabwazi society. Corruption in Kisii County. Omacha new investigate na kiawa nyagitari wako liko. Omacha new investigate you will be shocked. omacha ni investigate the tendering processes chiko Korwe County. Yesterday I wrote to EACC. Let me just give you this one example. Ngabeka chiba siege zima, I think 4.8 million if I'm not wrong. Yekorogwe zima kialia michoke.
Yes.
Why I wanted is make keremu na anda macha abe kuchi water point inye. Tuwana ina monyo.
Yes.
Anji water anda bantu bande bege tunwe kialia michoke.
Yes.
Banyora match. You know what happened? Tendering was done late, of course, as normal. In January, and the Gagnazi Sergali procurement is a problem. Eko correlate, bobe. Ekero ya correlate. A contract Kaiwa. They went to site handover. Omonto iruri bake site handover ya koliru acha kegas. Ohake room MC on TV room MC. I'm now going to do the works. And I mobilized. After 2-3 days, after 1 week, I'm told the contractor has withdrawn from site. When I'm trying to ask him, I want that answer 30%. I'm not going to do that job. And this is why an alligator it's corruption. 30% kickback. This is why an alligator is in Kabatena. I want answers from them because they are the ones who investigate. One tell you why a contractor according to evaluation.
Yes.
Ekawini etenda. Ekae guli irube yoko ndegas. Ekaenda bake zaiti ekoro kuwe zaiti. Withdraw. Is there not something very fishy? A contractor ya moyo arakora chi boda shit. Abana bana ba boda bamurabali abandi nabandi ngumba lakini I usually call them bamurabana. Ekerona ariko lijugura bali bankonye nti wale nisaidia bakankora campaign yenkongo bakoria bangana bamutai kupikira bo songa batai ndo ngiona abakareke nena bwe MCA mbubu atikende ngojo ko make sure mbubu ata conducive environment amangane ji boda shit ngabeka jibe chikuru 2 million. I wanted a shit yekorosiku yabe kuneduka oyo mo beke duka no konya mabere na soda a modern boda shit mne jingoro je naruko. You get what I'm saying? That was the year 2023-2024
nalikuwa
nena beke the budget.
Okay.
This government kept on carrying forward. Ikakali 2024-2025.
Yes.
2024 EU 2025 reji kwaera bakai contractor. Contractor ekagende kabiko muchange cyase kera stage iri aloje kolegasi. Kabika sanda matoboli. Almost he spent almost 7,000 doja kubike bintu weta. Paka chichuma kangego sambere. Do you know what? That contract all of a sudden withdrew from site. Kwa investigation yani na my friend ngosabu 30% of 2 million yakangesa undenga chiko. That's a lot of money, almost 700,000. So utabaki na 1.3 ufanyie hizo shades. Unalipa KRA, unalipa money power. How much do you pocket? You are doing work, musacho ndabeke 700,000 yomo. The level of corruption in Kisii County abana baminto. Yomo gusio ndigirete. It is terrible. And one time, one time, because governments change. This government from the national government, it has failed us. I think the chief corrupt guy, no legal. So he protects it. When a government will come with corruption, governor will be in the committee.
Right.
I tell you for free.
Mwish.
Because this kind of jojo kumubwata chia manganeti kickback cha 30%. Muliona nani alifungwa miezi 6? Huyu jamaa tumbo kubwa alikuwa anaitwa nani? Nani? Waititu. So Waititu alifungwa juu ya kickback tu. Lakini Kisii County, my brother, is a mess bwana. That is why contractor chikuroduce ku. Montate tiabe kachi nyinge because aiwa kwa unoga ukitoa 30 simtenda muongee kwa hotel hiyo maneno ijulikane. Na hiyo maneno itajoma jina. So what happens? I handle me birasi byanyali bali masaba byonse. Na koire baba nga 30%. I handle me chibaraje account. Do you know there's a time a contractor ya moya account chibaraje account chonse. Kwende a budget of 500 million.
Okay.
500 million ako koreji word 45 one contractor. Agi you know sometimes eka rongo what is happening Kisii ko yuengora ne koro.
Omwishimiwa sana. Omwishimiwa Maira boss Maira.
Yes.
Ntete ko kurekebisha na machiko remember machiko genda nga kitutu masaba nyali bari masaba ko sabo kwabira.
Yes, no problem.
Now wakwandira mangana ya iga mpaka esenkaranstega nkuma chikolenga likango kuligereriga ngoma chikolenga linga ine na okorokaranga no takabekiri biyana no moske simba that's why oko wa charokirimo ina
ngabekire biya
asa vandrinde bako tere chorus.
Let me tell you
Bako tere chorus.
the angle thing to get happened in Kisii.
Yes.
And that made sure everybody fears him.
Okay.
That's why abantu bagwakwiboko. That is a serious trait yomuntu ndotegete kokore bintibi. So many guys fear him. Me, I don't fear him, man, but I respect him as the governor. I respect his office because he has reached the position yabantu bande batari kwika. So fear ineregeta abantu bande batari kukwana.
Yes.
Wait, ekera abantu babaje kulusi chikolo chobu MCA.
Yeah.
Because I can tell you without fear. 80% of MCAs babusongo they will go home.
80%.
I can bet on that. Who can vote for our MCA but who want anything can't the county? Who will vote? Honestly, why can you go wake up in the morning you ndege to work room MCA utana wa the road in the county utariko watengia magenda late utariko watengia abana batari kuri kurusiko ogotena gabana numya. You know, sometimes abantu bagoja abangina bali bakukachikura
but sibara dio oretira mabere sukuru abantu bayagwete.
Wacha maneno.
Abantu bayagwete.
Wacha maneno bwana. Mabere ali by the unyali from another perspective.
Yes.
If today we sit here today in Janaido survey, ngo supply mabere you'll be shocked. People are doing business, man. People are making money. Guys are making billions of money from Kisii County money. It's not about ina mabere abana baganire kwa. No, ni biashara. Have you asked yourself ngia mabera ya dige tokoro KCC akarok fresher lakini abegire bicha arati because in KCC initially algo supply
lakini no yana pamwesh narora na ndio museneta we county ya Kisii kan kwanira mabera ikagotebanga ni powder.
I don't want to say usene powder I nje to kwano zina ya China because honestly tintagetibo kwana. What I want to what I was saying about them mabere, people are making money. Is the mondo wate birenge bya mwananchi. And why in your right senses njura bekira abana mabera banyu bagosomera inse yomote. What is that? And then you are inciting abana bande because you mwana of PP1 no mwana play group no mwana PP2 abana they think almost the same way. Kwa abande what ga abande, are you not making abana bande ba feel even stressed? Me as a teacher when I did mangana education mwana yonde might not even concentrate. Are you seeing the point? So Amaberari, it is one of the misplaced priorities to governor.
Right.
If I was the governor, I would have city centers, Abana was but to a conducive environment. And by the way,
Yes.
in checking to get is the level of unemployment yabantu wait about. The way to tabuga ya Mario Nyagitari mwana minto. The way to tabuga ya Nyagitari by saying like yesterday, let me tell you. Today is on Friday.
On Friday, yeah.
Yesterday I got a call, a very distressing call from one Wagakong. Do you know what?
Yeah.
No more nasi gotoka because it depends on they operate some hours in a day. They cooperate 24 hours. No more to from the previous day on Wednesday tarenko na igorotaka to kick. Okobaka to kick. We are understaffed. Tubugatie enough nurses. Ngo ake romo doteneta abanyagitari as sub county or no meta abanyagitari abaraba ngama they have given you few hours. Make sure you have sent umunasi to that kwende abanyagitari because you tubate how to break here kwa bona iga abangina bachire batene negeita mbavuga ati muntu okora gento ki. And these are some of the things boss Maira raise kwanya romo ndaka ya chiri na haye na bono romo bo wangite gabana nkomo correct imwanje mo correct me I want to have to be done and you will see me saying your correct. Yes.
Mheshimiwa.
Yes.
Aba MCA ni kibago chibakora mutundu.
No. By that I can tell you I've gone to Motondo 3 times and I can tell you what I went to do there. Number 1, 2022 tulienda kujuana na governor. Number 2, elie president ya taka kogenda ya rangeti ya tukorangira aba MCA state house. So governor was calling aba MCA in terms of delegation. You know this is 2025. So you can imagine I had not gone there since 2022. And I'm telling you a fact. So we went there as a group. Let's just go and see. Governor got the token the state house and he was giving some small token. Because do you know what? Ruth was my friend. Mimi Ruth alikuwa rafiki yangu sana. But I reached a point in Garona. Some of the things will happen in this country, every we could disappoint. You don't feel like you should be supporting that friend of yours. So and once I've made a position, me as mama, I don't think away. matiangi ngo support akunonde until further notice until further notice so to gomboli Ruth ngia ba mzee baje bakora mutondo
Ndase mitandao mostly no ino mwishimiwe mbande natebange ibintu bigokorekana mutuntu they are bad things ngo konyi gosene misuri wasi bigosene kisubuli.
You know, one time abantu gete bakarunya ari bari masaba
Yes,
abantu abanene bakaenda komiti omonene we county. Yes, and this is a true story. And then mbande na mutaine kere kinjende yabantu ono bakanyori mbande rero gusabwa abageni amaji ni jisoda akanga kirisi bagomba tata bosi anegute uje mudu umetemba nego tusaba so imbande kera yego teba na ibintu ibingwape ni biri mutondo.
Yes, na
manyete and you see this is why anya wari tuji ngoma because you muntu kitafire tsama no muntu ngo expose yaro obo bebwitaza abantu mono. What happens in mutondo honestly sometimes I feel bad. It's unfortunate. It's unfortunate. We have seen clips abantu bakolichi hot. I don't know whether ni mwachinya uri muntu akutiana kabisa secretary arati ndi arati abanyasai. You know?
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Speaking of goonism, imeye county ya Kisii.
Yes.
Can you ascertain that there is goonism in Kisii?
Hembe. Let me tell you, abamura babere bakorangeri wochi mutonda abandi bacha batika kwenda bande mono tikantumya abantu bande bamazima. Abandi bagete bagatika. Do you know what are being told?
Okay.
Omuntu ko ngakera boss amurusti yanga andetere I will give him 500,000. Omuntu gombunera gwali to bare ibirenge. Omuntu did you see ngento kya mbande? The same script batarusi tukuchanga kwa roje. Nochi balitolewa nguo. So gunisi mwerega igelebwerega igabo songo. And by the way, the national government has failed us. Because ntobugate obizigetere magari assembly abamura babugate bakangwe bumuntu babugate na babugate SPD babugate OCS, so they are running a parallel structure ya police. You know that is criminal. And you know we are ready to hit, and if the national government cannot stand up, especially focus in Kisii eliminate chiguni chonsi pichirororo. My brother, I'm scared 2027 will be messy.
Okay.
Yes. We must stop. By all means, injenae, injenonde, tukane negekereki abana baito, mutumeka konyenya abana bamino.
Ono chideke kombination na ibere chia butokire maiga yechinsa inye chia bona igamara ko bandonsia so tekerete na biko ase oligeretie television yao ya Getembe Television ndo jengedeka kombination na ibere chia butokire niko tore no omoske boss Maira oyo ore omo MCA omo Simba wada agotoerera mangana asiasa achiagusi na bego ngocha tore chia Kenya kwa ujumla na bego nae ko natwara maboli aberata toiga no bwatelibaga no bosibole bwoko boli korua gaiga Getembe FM radio na and television.
Hello.
Yes.
Oyo no moliki ebitabu nemwe mogere atemba.
Atemba.
Mongwano ye amangana okwana nama yo mwesiwa. Busongo yetu ga chikusi chibuche. Number 1 tinguma eka senero sini arati o siningo sino omuigu bu arati. Nere gundi ene ju tulidio didimati anya eko jaga busongo.
No bwato basaidi.
Imwa yo saidi la ginde ne jibichare na ru online. Iko busongo yeto ga kunyinyara buje ga kunyibika bija.
Yes.
Ni ritonyore umuntu gutenena bujeiga ukurigereria amangana ya youth mostly. Youth abantu n'abantu b'ikipigiga.
Yes.
Umwisimiwa kandi katakete kubeka abantu amoiga kutwari kikudigete. Ya gutumika abantu n'ikipigipigi.
Okay.
Yamono.
Asante. Inkolengana naye. Maoni yao. Getembe FM radio.
Hello.
Yes, Getembe TV.
Getembe TV na Getembe FM.
Waire bia.
Waire bia.
Yes, ngoto kwa nena ga yuwa kisimikuru.
Oyo Thomas Kubenja.
Iwero sesera.
Iwero sesera.
Iyo constituency ki.
Ere nyali bali masabe sinwe wodi anene ya boss ne ya Kisii ine.
As, ona na no bwate manga na birata to yobo bisyo gotote.
Hono bigana guli musike bossiga.
Mobori.
Alenga se UDA. Ki amo ga je aru UDA. Akire chupiri.
Nkoira niliare lia kabere.
Nelia kabere. Obwa musie. Ate to kutiko bwa musie ando bwa mpi. Ari kutika mandu kwa akora jitamu tia ibere tomaje kwa malo 2030. Nkoira
niliare elio.
Nduya mwana tia.
Asante. Getembe FM Radio. Hello. Getembe TV. Hello.
Getembe.
Waire bia. Ningo to kwa nera ga yuwa kesimikuru. Njoga nga yuwa kesimikuru.
Konge.
Ikonge Nyamira County. Yes.
Ona njenare como tevi. Gara kore kipindi kiaye.
Ara kore kipindi kiaye kiarari.
Kare bono iga. Amaye goja kochenjika 2032.
Okay, nebirengara libyao. Koira niliare. Unobo semi bwa kwa moire. Getembe FM Radio and TV. Hello.
Emonyo.
Abonkuru.
Ya mange sawa wiki.
Chinderwe bomba.
Nero ko kwana abon. Maite asamana yo kwa maana emonyo.
Teba liyo kama ene.
Weshimiwe yo kwani bia. Lakini abantu abagenda baba batonga ino maite bani batutumikire myake menge sana.
Barabiaba.
Na abaheshimiwa ababonzi ebo mu MC abo mu chumba ebo mu governor. Na ema irende de como boli biyaiga.
Oboli.
Abantu baye ba Mazimba ward.
Yes.
Iga akorde gazi baisane kire bakaze kwa upgrade aendo bo chumba.
Okay.
Kera ko te banga mangana mabera gavana ko le dra bana be school ba ECD. Maite mwanya banta we kira ni bintu byonse na endro ko promise mwana ngo matore nto to wikirani.
Na maene.
Amangana ba ko taranga abana bairo mabera ba ECD ko bese byasi yike. Banyo egera ba kiriki sabakira saba igoli.
Okay.
Sure umugambi obwate bori amaona maya abana nona ko project ko planga ngangyo tara bakrase itbo ko muntu ho mwanya mabera.
Ngoira niliare elio. Asante.
Siasa mwetege musimati siasa.
Agende kanisa.
Nera la ikirani bi ward yae.
Okay, nkomanya tore kuruwese ward yae yakoma na wasiwasi Getembe FM Radio. Na kekara torega tobeka bintu teneni limere dia go se TV yao ko ranche limere dia go se TV yao okay ya mariogi alafu na litora nyare ko igwana na buya aso kwanja kwa 0702 simibere choka 0702 66 69 tora mheshimiwa boss Mairwa ara rairanelia alafu tomaya kogenda simibere Getembe FM Radio Getembe Television. Hello. Wairibia.
Huyu ni Geoffrey.
Geoffrey tunaongea Kiswahili ama Kikisi?
Geoffrey ukwana.
Geoffrey kurwaralia mwana baba.
Kurubogetutu.
Ogetutu erelie.
Kurubogetutu ya mara.
Kitutu North, Chache North. Yes.
Mungwana ino mungaini sana.
Mondoro mungaini.
Mungaini yare. Ane jira kwera mangana haje. Obe bari moto ko mupinga.
Okay.
Ana uba upana ngama bero kiti. Abungo kamba mari bisha ba ukwane cyo ukwana. Because enjira de kiri ngani ni to gonyara go pinga go zoro sigoso.
Okay.
Disare explanatory.
Yeah.
Namba ibere.
Obere
sire buna aminjira atari ko nyara ko imbere.
Okay.
Namba isato. Inchora matabiri ngabe ara ko diyo kana ande na bwate abiri ke ko bugo chumbe. Ekera bangwana unato utina baba pa ke batebe no itara yusana ko bugo chumbe. No ero yu ndengete kia mokamu.
Asante.
Aye ko nda mutyo muherio.
Yes.
Umugambi ya chimutwe.
Okay.
Na ndasaba nyasa uriyege ne tumurwaniro bwaro.
Ewa.
Amanyanga etare ndiyabwa to ndetayo yibwate.
Asante.
ero biri wojo ya mafika mange sasa serikali ndubata maisa ndubata mogo
okay
asibari abake bari misiledi bayire ngora baki ibintu bigokoru nere musaje muhonde
sante inkuru kitutu chache
zinenzo tokwacha kurusi
thank you so much kuru kitutu chache not isimia moyo Kemunto kuru kitutu chache not kwa irwe pongezi halo yes bairubia
Iberelia.
na kiokoro kwanga yo wakisimiko
Ngoro bugyang mate.
principal Jimena
Wano modern ngakore county.
ayoko kore county na kiokoro
Kwa na marieta jini kwa
oh tutaitwa kwa na marieta na no it's okay
ni fact yetu sumbo kete county
okay
aso mugaba no yon fight no nyi mushara tebe kura mutenye be kurubona ya
metinyibere mwanya kuli musara
tebe kuri mushara MC inama nyete nara we
mo MC nara we
no tinde ndrio koru ya boto ngundiri biye by the way
okay
lakini wa MC aba mbai ko tabika bananga mistake ya kwa ni PCD so on fight tusumbo te county aba pali mnamba te county tusumbo te kusumbo koko ve nara we you
wow
okay
asante oh my goodness Mheshimiwa
Yes sir.
Tuchakiriria mai oya goteba nganora we
yora we ngambali gwaka
agoteba nga bimbo sambete na no manyete
Kwanza tigante ya bakoli we county gazi bakoli gazi
karibia microphone kora
abakoli gazi we county mbatai pole me I know the frustration about it.
Oh.
I can tell you Emonyo me dig singo na baraka 6 months bataraka banyagitari you saw them 4 months bari ko mana but me I know there's a time where 6 months honestly sometimes I really wonder to understand
yes
ngiyogera arati arakoreyo because abantu ambabwata abana bakoragiri abana ngwa kana bari chibili chia amarweire abana bwati chinyumba wakana chirent yo kwabana kubarina umushara for 6 months etiwo mu tegereri weka make decision yae I want to tell them pole na ndeta ate abana ndruko kwana me I talk anyway I get the only way I can do the only thing I can do kera ngonyo no gukwana because in any decision the majority now back make ya approved if we cannot talk so many of us nothing can happen aba colleagues yaba bakachi promotion yechi asirete bali konyora promotions bali konyora motivation no ko iru trainings capacity trainings and kerege ntara tia ruseti and obvious you cannot get even this paper mwangandike walitoa hizo vitu hata maji kwa ofisi hakuna unadanganya watu mekanyaga pipe lakini unakunyonya zote nkuane intuba banyane mnaturiga wa MCA we go up to 3 months umana ndena wa MCA avunto bwato bango bari correct kero mu MCA ochori kibeza njirororo uri 3 months uri nja are you normal
otari kwa
kumushahara no normal like now I know I can tell you I have not been paid May we have not been paid June abani bakani and I know we will not be paid soon maybe ina ba wakana ko mwaka okoera something like that tiganku ana omuntu iwa mabero kwana ande na majuku mumanya sauti ya anga ine itari yakuru uri ne bifarago bikarago si biarati you never see anything wrong in him so I'm not going to respond omuntu uri oboge tutu namwira neri na nake be kabiya
obenero mwira
akinde dingira neri because nte na mabere mbo because nothing dongire ko ku priorities how do you give abana bazo marenze yomote amabere I know of schools y'abana bagosomera enze yemete ECD center itako tindu kik abana bagosomera matobe imete photos came out abana bako batabwatira ne birogo then when we compare Kiambu kwanyoro umwana abwate kerogi ECD karanze kero kiribuya abwatranya sako somera environment ya ko onywero ngori como menta vitamin gitumo bere bintu gete biyo mo nutrients gete tinde tingwana mana ya mabete tigankwa nero yo monaro tena uyo sozera oyozozera tigati yako zoyembeo siasa itafika 2027 tutamenyana na manduku tamfagia asubuhi mapema I don't know why he's worried ngiago nsorora ndike kuburi na balesho wangu ira bale so
bedeko cha tuale ngaka wa the end of the day
so tuachane na yeye huyu kwanza zozera is my stronghold so aache panic my brother I'm not stopping watch
Mheshimiwa tumetiko kwenye kwa tumetiko irane iria on CP ukero montabo linga nkigwa uda ukamwetamo
abo nangi na ruete already na eleza baka na example that this politics is dynamic where my heart is right now ngoro ya nere as a Matiang and we have given him that mandate yuko kwana on our behalf and we have to listen to him for several facts to manage. That is a man of integrity. That is a performer. We believe given a man to yenze na akole bintevinga. Erena kare comfortable na rero igaru aru buruire biri ebe 300,000. Kare 100% sure na shaya ene mwakane. Ereti gaendele kwa bera UDA. Yesterday uliona mama wa Kiambu, mama huyu anatafuta gavana anaitwa Alice Nganga. Uliona akileta drama eti anataka kulipa bill. Why was she paying a bill? Atate batesha yaka ne ya Nyagitali. Linda mama ya kaka ni rabana aba Subat. Ruth. Linda mama zilikuwa nalipa bill ya mama. Mbona hii hailipi hadi huyo mama mbunga alienda kusimama hospitali Ruiru kwamba anataka kulipa bill. Just because most systems in this government they are dysfunctional. The education system has collapsed. Schools have no capitation, my brother. Abalimu bazani bana ko no mwalimu ago strain bakako kabeza kibeza ago rabana mafuta bakarangirwe bitu because there's no money coming to schools and this government nere go threaten ya abalimu. That's why you see strikes take out to kick. Mondago chiko chakaiga oiwe shokosile. Mondana oteto kutigirasi.
Now mheshimiwa singin chochida ikantubu ati nyinge amangane garama and asensemo ya nente go sabu kwa bira singin jo twatuma tumi ntochie timu na tutakeire kogenda because antuaganite chitaika chinyinge sana naye lakini na singin jo nande ko isabari kwa ramenyo kase bono na kitukunja gutuma tumire bintu binde tokobora togendanga amangana ye budget ya some to korambika kuri kwa ruete kurwa ogembo ogembo
mbara migete
yes
because ogembo ni municipality yaga ni iria nyore chibesa chiaye kuni municipality
yes
but just because Paradiso tikire kuiwana na Harati so money was not allocated and do you know what he did yabantu bogeteiga arangeti abantu gete bake kurugembo akabasera 1500 gari 80s masimba singuru
yeah
masimba iga neri koru there was a strategic plan ngwaya proposed mazimba ya bwate 10 million ya rege koros gwe na area town like ijibeze chara tia kati drop no joro masimba nera mararamika manene mborango rongo tena baraji anenjira roso
yeah
why should we be paying revenue if we don't get services keroka ya bwate jibeze chia cabros
yes
town yaga ni koba lit up araja karusibe sechio kwa baita netene mbande do you want 9
yes
so there's so many issues about this budget keumbu umunyali bali entirely in this budget did not get anything tigati o tena nabe getibe 5 million ramasha chio ko light ye aka town yaga kibuna ramasha kasi itali kabona we need flagship project chibe sanjiro jikoro kufloka nte tonda ngelimbwa hata mangana mangeza nande to no muguzi I want to come here on time this time I will come mapema
kindly
sitachelewa
Okay.
so chibe sanjiro jikoro kufloka
yeah
ejini chibe sa chia World Bank chiweta kuru ministry
yes
can you imagine this money some of our awards in New Zealand shilling
waijaje
allocated we wanted alikuwa nataka ape demagogues wake na zingine apeleke bobas and we have no problem for governor go ile vitu binde bobas
yeah
but the law is clear my brother equity ekero kubaga ebese serikali
yeah
you don't look endo ikora politics na bese serikali so budget yetu tugoro okwemurunga ninkororo okwemurunga nane ngoche koboko nene because there was no equity. We feel some regions have been separated from gaining government money or benefiting from government money.
Right.
And that's a story for another day.
Mheshimiwa singe kwa tayari kwa sabile chinga kichinde we'll think about that. Simbarati obeiro mobe according to you. Na kitoko mo change mpaka bamwe.
Urita go change ndeka. Let me just go home. Ta go change.
Asta nchirendete tara banda banda.
By the way, let me tell you,
yes.
Arati will not change. That one I can tell you for free. You know, I'm sorry, and if you can prove me right, now what issues na masomo. It was all over. You know, sometimes if he thinks I'm lying, later I let him take me to court.
Okay.
So the problem ya education, to understand the administration, in Jerago Konye County, you should go home. Amondo mongajiche, na inu feel by day you will feel. Taraga ige monyo town is dirty man. Siweje kuminyoka igo bocha wokumnyoke town boko iteka baka kwa ne embo zongo tata. Imagine even making it town. Do you know why? Because he doesn't come to the office. He has come to the office 5 times since he was elected. A governor should be able to sit in office. He has not come there. We can answer colleagues. Agoja Lijunate Mohammed Yagoja. Agajali Ole Sepiti Ajete. Agajali Matiangi Ajete. I can count you 5 times here at your office. So what I'm saying, the people of Kisii will have an opportunity to decide well over work in 2027. But for me, where I sit, Arad should not be given 1 minute in office in 2027. Right. What the Mezi has done, he has demolished the county to the level. There's
something I want you to talk about.
Yes.
Bursary allocations. Mheshimiwa Mbande, ekero alikore press briefing, na tevetenga, there are so many non-gazetted students. Babaire,
bakonyora. Yes. You might then wale ngemoto onto, na bwate story. From where I sit, inche as a bursary awunko kwanda rati plus.
Okay.
That one I
as a bursary.
Mgala muwe?
No, I'm mentally correct, bro. Bursary. By there I have a list ya bana benefit. Again to you kago ngeji. Na bake form ngate gitarende.
We komanya.
What is that? You know, I got a kind of carrying to get county, Nero Tegetano or credit. Ina tuamwete iri e bursary budget munaba MCA. Ochira se stadium olonchiri chibese chi bursary. Nandingia uchikolonjeria form. Kakula kolonje form ocha kolonje cheki. Tekawa na isaido. Lakini azege rengere gira endete n'abantu banyore bursary igigere gingo mwande. Eki abana bakonyora tetobaro ke students. It can be true, but this matter is something the Auditor General and the control budget. Okay. As a report, Chiao Chokoro to gig. Nainu Emonyo and the Ruth. Mokonyora the Auditor General report.
Yes.
Totebi Bunaba Nanjiba Kisii County. There is a time where Anyora an advice opinion from the Auditor General. The worst ever in the history of Kenya. Anina ibete baka akamuri kwa kuna tatu muntu ibiro bobengo Korale County. The report is there, I think, for 2023, 2024.
Yes.
I will look for that later and go to me. Lakini wakuba media migire muri kohereza abantu na yaya muri tachone nanyorete. For example, nkarogini mete azimeke tuna roje report yote ni mete azime kusene mburugo buone ya 10 million. Imete ya 10 million man. 10 million.
Lakini adendro county rankings chakore tu. Tokaranga the governor nero sokire kwa number 1 as the
Tige bibia very street tabloid nini ranking whatever farms. The best ranking farm is the control of budget na chiabo innovate. Again the geria idea sponsored jikatuni jika 40 online ikamobeka number 1. It was not even Nanto Konyara in news.
Okay.
It was not authentic.
Right.
He has always been number 47 out of 47. he has never been moved. He has never moved from that place.
Mheshimiwa, speaking about your suspension Kurase County Assembly.
Yes.
Naande to karara Mheshimiwa Mbande nere akaba stripped of membership. Kurwasi committee. Yes. What can you say about that?
It's unfortunate, but mangana inale court, the court lifted that suspension.
Okay.
So the matter is ongoing in court. We lift the court because you know, my sister, for one to be suspended from bunge,
yes,
kuna grave mistake. Grave mistake. Imbete gozono mu MCA was speak omoyo. Do you want to? Made a mistake. I didn't do anything literally, and I spoke it. So vaga forge stories we kongira kwende powers and privileges which I never appeared. So how do you suspend me na mwandangi mwansamoni na mwangambire kina mutaranga na monsel. So the court say no, let my case be listened.
Right.
But I'm not bothered because we then anemba anzerati in 2023. Nkaenda court yakateba. That was wrong. So one said what problem.
Okay.
But because the matter is in court, let's wait to what the courts will say.
Right. Asante sana. Nande mtu wa Roma governor.
Bandu is in a budget committee, maybe you don't know.
Okay.
Wagandu is no UDA whip. So I've seen a lot of hell in the past few days. Ngasel we assembly for 6 months. Immediately the following day, I was removed as kicked out as the UDA whip, and procedurally, and I will challenge it, and I know I will win. Number 2, Akeigo on Wednesday, I think on Wednesday this week, Naro Waganduzi as a member of budget committee with no apparent reason. Yes.
Nani tuarora mugavana kakotevanga ngocha kali ku engage residents kuru some words elio vanyale ko kole mirimo nere. So I ask myself, does it meaning these words by MCA mbayo, and if these MCAs are there inkivago kora when the governor decides achi ku engage residents elibachiko kora nerimo.
Governor ngolere binde yikuru 2022. I can tell you he has done meetings now and Wamazimba. The good thing wa mumanyere akubangaina. There's a time warangeti abaga kabanene retired civil servants, retired teachers. Akabatenda mono mu MCO no mube ntagete monte chi project mote demba kore. Man, do you just go and do a project without putting it in the budget? There is no money. Kabangaina ninje ngore dracha, ninje ngore nyegitari yeyu, ninje ngore pale yeyu. Obolimo buoka akabako obolimo. Baka chikwa bako movada. What I'm saying, there is no mechanism iyo mugabana go work direct n'abana inchi nerezi kuno waka siasa ngo aroje mona tete ko korero mungo bugia kumwise yega machiko keraka bataina ninjo muyamziega si ilika chaotic. So ile ni siasa anapiga kunidimin.
So it's from your word.
You know, people like me, he was definitely referring to me. Eka ayo kora ukwane oromu MCO mo bimbeke number 1.
Okara mo braburu.
Kara mo braburu sana. So it is no mechanism. Eli siasa waka, but the unfortunate time is up.
Okay.
Tigagaba na implement the project mo bekete budget. Tigari ngene kya kora ati ente kemu yoke yoje ko muinyura. Ama bera ta ko muinyura. As is going home 2027 vandu baje kunyona nkonyo nyarenga abana mabere ari gutige factory one mo no nyebo basi so boka asa iboire at least diri kero na abana kurukere ward no na abana 30 abana na bata tatu mugabana na chita akarente ngendike kono kureta abana baitu bako renta mabere nyumba lakini bao ni gara tia uje kunyone binte bioka because it's going home. I can tell you for free.
Omweshimiwa boss.
Yes yamanyo
tetukwana igoro ya Nyaribari Masaba.
Thank you.
Nkioka gerere nyabulumba Nyaribari Masaba sa hall yetara kolerwa ogochikokora.
My brother, this is a dream I have had since I was a young man of becoming a member of parliament. But God had a plan chakro MCA. And I go to MCA na tete bantu. By the day one time I think was the first person who could check. Okay. Nze also keji video jia nora kumina mimi nilianza mambo ya one time kitambo. Kwa na campaign nikisema mimi naenda one time nikisonga mbele. Nyaribari Masaba is a constituency very fortunate in the past few years karango kina. Unyoro mwaka professor ngiri no arenge ko gamba. Mwaka Manduku the late. Mwaka Manduku era gamba I think I was in form 1. Mwaka CS Macho. Ogambira no machumbo ito. Some of the prominent figures and I mentioned. Let me tell you, they tend to make example here basari. Do you know Ngeri gave about 10,000 shillings as a member of parliament?
Yeah, sure, I remember.
Do you know Macho gave people 10,000 shillings as a member of parliament? Do you know that time the value of money? The current member of parliament and the Muizo Koram kin take it ito on facts one at time will come. Aqua 3,000 shillings. A member of parliament. And the chief is a chair delay proper. Is that not a problem? Posi aga neriko fix ka kwa mchumbe. he goes ahead.
Anga igujuruzi.
My brother CDF gets money like now we get 196 million.
Ayako ile jindire.
No, I don't know. Je nataka kwa example kwambo lingi ngocha wakoranga umuchumba. Na aro muchumba one. Bono nangora ndako parity bira 16 yagachete. Una chibungalo. Bira sigete yako ate no nyumba yako menya. Otumie 11 million kirasi kiyakama. Okay. Take your time. Ane journalist. Ocho ete chisku chanya libali. Ora na mabati ya kure pi. Mabati ya limu gako manga bigete. Meto manga na gambe tete mugaka bali abakuru. Nyamwe yakagamba. Mugaka ongeria mabati babigete. Tikeba ni machogo acha kabeka chikora bachinyinga kweta chinyinga kile school. Oyo chetari karo chikora akanga kwa kachechi ai. I can give you an example. School ya Mesabisabi, school ya Matibo, school ya Chigobi, Chibuga school ya Masimba, Chibuga stalled stop buildings. No bachumbe bangete liko yaro gochara akora. Amane konge ya kurusia mabati ama kutuji school chiarororo abe kamai. I've seen mabati yako beku. No meta mabati yako kuchi reject.
Yeah.
And that one I can challenge him in court. Mabati yako beka chibila ibira spiri yako akwaga ni reject. Ibadi limeriko ni 200 shillings.
Okay.
But I know what he pays out is 1,500. So Mandu kuna wate problem yae from KPA. He has his history. Tutakutana kwa ground. Mimi natafuta kura zangu. Na yeye anatafuta zake. Lakini ukikaa hivi leo my brother ukiangalia mimi kuja hapa hivi huyu ni mjumbe wa Nyaribari
Masimba ngogotigara.
Mabando bane mbaje bamwe. But we will leave the word to people with integrity, a plan. Umuntu ukora rona ki boss kerajete yaiga kende nkiarengo agasukia gaikia. No okwancherana. You know people will be keen na barabukurigere okwancherana. Na no muntu utaji ko butliki gabanana. Gavana umuntu ogoti gavana ekene. Kwake mbotori yogi ibintu bya garagendo kieke. Ya chicha. You know?
Yeah.
Do you want So hiyo ikifika wakati uwe mzimbo kwa techi matrix chia watu wataangalia nani watapatia. But I know they will look for somebody who sharp.
Mwesh.
Yes.
Ngokwira ni account yake igo. Bila chuki. Ngindo kiura tebo ni gavana yako lirekia. Uchesa abantu be account yake si.
Basari nakora.
Na hata ebe basari.
No any other thing as say
again ngeya right kenda.
That is when you're speaking with a clean heart.
Even the bioko te baba na twale mira makoli ni gazi mu MCA.
Jakitari ejina ga
headquarter ga ki obisi. Ne roko to kulia bangene bekenyo. Chi dispenser muna jirito kwa aje kenyora ali EMONYO. Even the baba MCA. Tigara dia toro ki level 5 ga rende uzi level 4. Ya elire ya very equipped. Goro wa matangi jiga cia ko operate online. Level 4 irin kali boli agajire na nde ya equipped bia. Abantu nora wafinu mwe mugabana narega ebi dispensary byo mu MCA because bonne dispensary muna bonne li ya metem gabana aje ku nabone era ku yagere kuba even people like abantu ya kiembos because gabana tama ide metembe so the governor should focus korora tiendo ikoroku flagship project chine enteke nene like ele uno rine buno yondare ende tongwa ale ende level 6 ndo bariko kaka because this is a serious project. A mother child manya ungwaya gachete. Do you know how long it has taken Arati to equip it and start commission it? You know ungwaya literally built it to completion.
Yeah.
So the coming governor ni gocha I equip anya commission yecha kendo kiek. It has taken how many years ko kubeka chi machine gari. Bona igwa go living tena ande anya commission you. I don't think what anya commission. Even the level 6 yenyene the services have gone down. To end up 9-10 months to about the CT scan. And then manya funny enough, the governor was saying in an and our people, my step brother got an accident. Akamnya level 6 CT scan kabora. We had to take him to Oasis. So there is a problem. Aradi should not be given a minute in office.
Right. Mheshimiwa inki keliora atebe you can beat your chest ora atebe kwa kuliru mwananchi wa Masimba.
Mazima na atebe namba na wawekile map ya county. I think the most popular word one is Masimba.
Okay.
Number 2 nako balenya gitari sato.
Sure.
Na baraga. Kabekera abantu amachi chitanki nako chikwende bitacho. Because initially bitacho ndimbi bwate impact yabanga na obako genda.
Yes.
To arent rege sima bonyakoni. ekingo teba abantu bane bangabere talinje mbegete contractor otabeke chigota point muna natagete twabekire gesima gekonge twabekire gesima mosisa nakuba raise citizens. I think I'm the best MCA since independence Masimba. Those are things to occur in few years, yeah. In few years to a very robis. Abana banyorire chibasari with accountability form terigo tali butuko. Chigo cha Masimba abantu bachora ronya rati ka konse gross chi form yecho. Abantu banyora chi form e committee ane ikaranza na aba instruction na ndebwe ensoronga asara mu Masimba. Yes. Apate nini? Apate pesa. Apate pesa. We have done, and then I've been there for them. I am accessible, I am available. Utaniona leo nilikuwa hapa, kesho niko pale, kesho ngine niko pale. People thought nikipata hii kiti nitahamia Nairobi. Ama nitahamia America kama wengine walifanya kitambo. Rafiki yangu alipewa kiti akaenda America, alikuwa anaitwa Rieng.
All right.
So I've done well. I've done well. I can give myself a play.
Okay. Mwancho malegeria Getembe Television abego mwancho motegereri Getembe FM Radio 102.7 kubatoro chimi chia utaka tuwate chinka sana lakini gokomanya ensemeria ya Odibet bado ni komanya ensemeria ya Odibet mbija sana gokomanya ensema ya Odibet nga bado onye ko torabeke beti ya unakunya nakobeke beti ya gwetera www.odibet.com o download app yega ya Odibet asesimi yao kiagara bono iga unaweza kuomoka na World Cup kunaomoka na World Cup bona kama tokwa na iga USA nigetanga ine chikolibere asebosa gwakana Australia itegekane ya 45 kipindi kitanga nikiarire USA tanga ine asegolia yemo se ligina liesagero onyorenga lituko eliga mna ligo kimambi bado mupira nde nororo World Cup so onye kwa bekire gose kwa download app yao ya Odibet koetera ase www.odibet ase Google Play Store gose App Store na kunyara gukora kikonyora 50 shillings free bonus chikunyara ko bet na boigo onyara konyora ebiegwa binde binge inyora aso akara ko bet na 99 shillings konyorore na bosa konyora kwa kwereire free TV ya bosana boigo smartphone smart TV na boigo onya konyora milioni moteka ende yonsi pikida kaisana isato chatigere chiraga chinsa sano chiabona iga ndobateka nyinge omweshimiwa bosa toirane gochase Fred Okengo Matiang'i oyokonga mkono mune president oyokongo olimaega yae. Do you think President Yobonko Nyorare?
My brother, we are not fighting a losing war. As much as they say politics no ni pata patea. Afraid we have given ourselves 100% commitment.
Yes.
Kwanza kabisa tumeweka Mungu mbele. Maombi. Number 2, we will give ourselves what it takes to ensure that Fred Matiang'i is the next president. That one we are not relenting. There is a lot of goodwill. Mimi utembea. I go around. I've been to Mombasa. I've been to Nakuru. Like today I was in Nakuru. I have been to Nyeri. I have a home in Thika. I know I've engaged people in even Machakos, everywhere. Kila mtu anasema wacha tutupea Matiang'i.
Abantu abalende chi principle chinde chinchira kero montongo tebalanga I have numbers. Litanga ni kabisa into namba gusi chinamba namba yitonga itobera.
What I know,
ngitokolete mess.
What I know, Freddy abwate support across board. It's not about umugusi bwe. Chikolo cheto chira about chomugusi karako chirire ruya. Chira about 2 million. 2 point something karako bara kanyingi.
Yes.
That is not what we are going to look at. Who is acceptable across our communities? Honestly, the only man who can beat William Ruto is Fred Matiang'i. The only man. Na sisi kama Wakisii na Wakenya wazalendo tunaomba marafiki zetu kama Kalonzo ambaye kidogo unaona kama nyota yake ilikataa kabisa, wa Minyoro, watu kama Natembea ambaye unaona kabisa na support Matiang'i, tunaomba watunge mkono na tutatimiza. We will manage. Yes.
Right, ndo chenga ibiro niko bigenda tutumnyokie mwenye ndo chichinsa cha ile kigima.
Chia minyo kile
yes, from my end, mheshimiwa from my end ekerongo chigo kura kurugiga. Mtu naro bwateri bulyo kubuli na ki masimba mwaga achirwa modern market na kiotara kwanira igoro ya modern market.
The modern market William Ruto kwa acha. We thank him for that. At least our taxes have done a bit. Do you know abauza yangu wakanule pay pia. Ngoro leo uneko baridi. Ama nyinyi mkatu hizo vitu.
Tunakata.
Sha inakata, mambo ya housing inakata, kama ulichukuanga help inakata, hiyo nayo ni vizuri. Lakini sasa ile yenye inauma zaidi ni hizo mambo ya sha. Mimi I don't use it. I pay 9,000 monthly, 9,200. And I have never used that sha.
Okay.
Those are just a cake levies, very unfortunate. So hiyo market by the Mazimba tulipata mbili, kuna moja Ramasha na kuna ingine Mazimba town. I was there the other day with a contractor.
Right.
And I did a good job. I saw a good job was done there. So hiyo sasa anauliza huyo alikuwa anauliza ya William Ruto ama ya nani? Because hiyo sio ya county.
Yeah, apparently ni ya the national.
Hiyo ni ya national government. Hiyo ni Ruto anafanya hizo.
Right.
Na Ruto ni wa UDA ambapo wewe pia ni mwanachama wa UDA.
Mimi ni mtu wa UDA kutoka 2022.
Kuchaguliwa.
Nilichaguliwa na UDA. Na vile nimekwambia niko na mipango ya Jubilee mbeleni.
Okay, thank you so much. Lingana lya audio moelio asomo gusio mheshimiwa boss Mairo. Lingana lya okuchia ase omonto masimba litangani lingana lya audio moelio guchia so omogusi at large.
Litangani nkuwa kira bantu bana mazima mbemo nazo bwanchani ni support bete watu wangu wananipenda sana. Number 2 wanaomba wa Kisii tutimize amani, tupendane, tusikubali siasa ya kupiganishwa, tukatae mambo ya gundism. Number 3 naomba watu wote wa Kisii wote wakae nyuma ya Fred Matiang'i. Number 4 and the last 3 naomba watu wa Nyaribari wasimame na mimi, wanieke kwa Mungu. Mimi wakinipea kazi nitachapa kazi. I will not donate my duties to any other person. I will be the member of parliament. Na watafeel they will be proud of me. The way you see people are proud of Sifuna, this is the like of Sifuna here. The way you see people are proud of Ndindi Nyoro, boss yako hapa kuwa kama hicho. Kama the likes of Babu, we know the likes of Ndindi Nyoro. People who work with passion and zeal to change the lives of their people. And I am set, and I know once given an opportunity, I won't let them down.
Right. Asante sana Mwish. Thank you so much for finding time. Wacha na kusanga na Getembe TV na Getembe Radio. Na ande we promise to invite you back. Egere tusanga mange because I know na mango bwatigoro ye county ya Kisii na mango bwatigoro ya bantu bago. We will invite you egere na ande togendere gusanga mange, but for now singinchonga ebironigo bya tominyokirikegima no tokubutorera abo na ande we will come back to wakrembia mono nayo mwanchu murigerio mwanchu mategelia singinchu been with us twasangira mange bali mwaba mu gusanga na into birengal. We say thank you, we don't take that for granted.
Biamono sana omwanchu murigerio na boyiko mwanchu mategelia Getembe FM Radio singinchu yo koireli bageriga go to tegera na baga sense moye television biamono sana singinchu koireli baga go to rigeria na boyiko twakera isi mesema ya Facebook niko twarenge live na kurunsema ya TX kura na matundra na boyiko VJ Kevo atsana barenga sense ya TX na sema yechi kamera korau amo na sunguro mheshimiwa na kwa niaba ya director ito DJ O nchenguru kwa MC Fast bono mutangio Florence bunarali amanya namba kumureke na radio nonde mpaka chinsa sana nemo ase television bipindi binde nkobwati bire tokuneke minero.
File and pay. Saturday night ni June 30th.
Kwani kuna kulipa?
Kufile ni kitu moja, kulipa ni ingine.
Hakuna kitu ni stress kama kufanya tax returns na kulipa kodi.
Nilisha file na nikalipa kitambo.
Round hii, make sure umefile returns.